Just look at my insane crypto wallet. I made all this money in the past month, all by launching my own meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm going to expose exactly step by step on how I do it. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you guys want to make money with meme coins without any risk and without losing any money. Now, that's exactly why I found a brand new strategy that you can do today, and it's fully repeatable with no risk involved. Basically, we just launch our own coins, wait for buyers to buy in our coin, and then we dump it and we print thousands of dollars. And the best part is that right now is the best time to start launching your own coins because Solana is up and Bitcoin just hit $110,000. Which means that the volume in the meme coin market is really high right now, so you will get way more buyers. But anyways, I'm gonna cut all the bullshit and I'm gonna show you exactly how to launch your own coin and then make some bread. But obviously this is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me. Now the first step is to actually make your meme coin. I personally use this website called Create Tokens.Fun because it's the only website on YouTube that is legit. They have the best devs, and also you can make your coins with no coding experience required. Now the reason why people use this website to make their own coins is because all the coins are all launched on the Raydium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun because Pump.Fun is too saturated and too many coins are being created. Now as you can see, the market caps are all low, they're all under 10k, and if I go on the Raydium DEX to compare the market caps, boom, Raydium, as you can see, 1 mil, 40,000, 30,000, okay? They're all really high. You will make way more money by launching your own coins on createtokens.fun than pump.fun. But coming back to the website, you have two different options to make your first coin. The first option is to actually make it from scratch. So basically you would like find a good narrative online, so a viral meme or a tweet on Twitter, and you would just put the token name, token symbol, and token image. And if you're confused about the steps, you can read the steps right here. They're really easy and you could make your coin from scratch. It will pop up on Memescope and then it will be tradable. And the second option is actually my favorite one because I'm actually using this method to make thousands of dollars every single day, and it's actually by copying coins. So the concept is really simple. We steal coins, we list them up on the Raydium DEX, and then we make a shit ton of money. All these coins right here are all pumping, they're all trending on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you're putting all the odds in your favor and you're printing thousands of dollars because they're all proven to get some buyers. But obviously I am gonna launch a coin live right now to prove that you can actually make a lot of money. So the coin that caught my attention is actually this one. You can just read it right here. I'm not gonna say it because it could violate the YouTube stuff, but yeah, so I'm gonna create the coin right here. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago and a $60,000 market cap, so I'm gonna create coin. Also, it's about Musk, so it does have a good narrative. A warning will pop up. It's completely normal. Every single person is going to receive this warning. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly. Come on. Okay, boom. Now as you can see, the coin is created. It's all legit. The website actually works. Now copy here and click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, so here's like your coin. Your Solana balance should be selected. As you can see, I have 1 SOL, and we're gonna see how much I make after I dump the coin. Now for the amount token A, I will click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool. Obviously, you can put 1 billion coins if you want, but yeah, I would recommend 90%. Amount token B is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Okay, so you will be the first buyer inside your own coin and it will come out of your own wallet, but you are not losing this money. You will get it back at the end. So I will put 0.5 SOL. The minimum is 0.3, and now we should be ready to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. Oh my bad, I have the hiccups. Go inside your Phantom wallet, then do confirm, and then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm $50 up in profits Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Oh my god, it just shot up a shit ton. Let's go. Whoops, my bad. Let's go. 1 second time frame. Okay, we're getting a bunch of buyers in. Okay, $20 buy, $14 buys. Let's go. Keep up the pace. Okay, I've waited long enough. If it goes fucking high, I am going to remove the liquidity, bro. Let's go. Pump. Oh, it's pumping. Let's go. It's pumping. Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to create tokenfast.fun. Click automize button. Do 100% remove liquidity. This is gonna be fucking insane. I'm gonna retire my family. Oh my god, confirm. And boom! We just removed the liquidity and we just profited a shit ton of money. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1, $600 is inside my wallet. Oh my god! I made $500 off this one Memecoin launch. CreateTokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the one soul giveaway like usual, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.